ladies and gentlemen, I'm Jansen Bancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and this is our 2026 Harris 250 Sunliner. Got beautiful black. Thing is gorgeous, shines up really well. Got the power bimini on the top. As we move forward to the bow, we have a see-through door, which makes docking a breeze. As we move around, we've got the lighting there on the tunes. Got the safety railing here on the transom. 300 horsepower Mercury V8 lily pad ladder. With the safety rails connected here and here, you can legally ride back here while underway. Let's hop aboard. As we move in, immediately notice a complete redesign. These loungers are incredible. They finish this boat very well. In-floor storage. A lot of new features here behind the door. Spot for your shoes on both sides. Cooler drawer. In-floor storage. Here's a walk around the helm. Weighted pillow. And this will move forward or backward, depending on how you guys are seated. Table pops up, locks into place. This lounger is adjustable in several different variations. If you'd like to see this boat in person, give us a call, 573-365-5382. Ask for Jansen. Thank you and have a great day.